Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in today's video we are going to talk about quadrant angles and quadrantal angles. So before that we must know what is quadrant. So whenever we are drawing a graph paper, we are putting x-axis and y-axis, and this x-axis and y-axis divides the graph into four parts, right? Each part is called a quadrant. So this is called the first quadrant, this is called the second quadrant, this one is third, and this one is fourth. So some of you might know about this already. Now we know that this is 0-degree line, this is 90-degree line, okay, this is 180-degree, and then this is 270, and when the ray completes a full rotation, then this line again becomes 360-degree line. So if the ray rotates by an angle less than 90-degree, so the terminal position will be here, right? So this angle, which is in the first quadrant, is known as quadrant angle. And similarly, if it rotates more than 90-degree but less than 180-degree, then the position will be somewhere here. Okay, means in this quadrant, second quadrant. So that again, this is a quadrant angle. So you might have already gotten an idea about the quadrant angle, right? So if it is greater than 180 or less than 270, also a quadrant angle, and if it is greater than 270 but less than 360, then also it is a quadrant angle. Okay, now that we have a clear idea about the quadrant angle, let us try to know what is quadrantal angle. So let me use a different, okay, no problem. So if the ray rotates by 90-degree, we already saw that if it is less than 90-degree, this will be the position, greater than 90-degree, this is the position. But what if the ray rotates exactly equal to 90-degree? So we can see that it rotated from here to here, right? From this position, this position. So then it will be called quadrantal angle. And similarly, if it rotates by 180-degree, you can see that in this case it has rotated 180-degree, so it is also a quadrantal angle. And similarly, when it will rotate 270-degree, see in this one it rotated 270-degree, and it is along the negative side of y-axis, it is also a quadrantal angle. And similarly, when it will rotate complete a full rotation and the terminal ray will be along the positive side of x-axis again, that time also we will call it quadrantal angle. In short, we can put it like this: if the terminal rays are along the axis, like positive side of x-axis or positive side of y-axis, or negative side of x-axis or negative side of y-axis, any of these four position, okay, in that case we will call these angles are quadrantal angles, means 90-degree, 180-degree, 270 and 360-degree. These are called quadrantal angle. But if the angles are in between 0 to 90 or 90 to 80 or 80 to 270, in between, or 270 to 360, then it is called quadrant angles. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know in the comment section. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.